Alright guys, today we're gonna install a new part on the GTI. Right here, we're gonna be installing and painting a wing. Now we're waiting for my buddy to show up. He's not here yet. And we'll be painting it black, and then we're just gonna prime it. Like this?
Chill.
Well, you're not helping me.
You're not asking, bro.
You're not helping me.
Oh, just imagine a table with a wing. That's where it's from.
Oh, it's
Your brain? Yeah. Send your chill dance.
oh, put that. Imagine a table with the wing.
They're not actually like
Huh? Now we're gonna paint it black, gloss black, and Jose's gonna just stand there and do nothing for right now.
Yeah. Okay.
You put the primer. Alright, bad. So show me what they said it is.
Dude, I can't do this. I can't. Nah.
This is not. Go over there. Run the camera. Tell me when the camera dies. Don't fuck around either. Oh, dude, that's just perfect. Alright. First layer on the back. So we're done painting it black. We're gonna mount it on the car. Now we're gonna put the 3M tape, but you guys should go buy one on Walmart or whatever, because the ones they send you are ass. So right now we're gonna mock it up, and then I'll show you after how I did it. So we mocked up the 3M tape like this. Now we're gonna put it on the car. Right now we're gonna put on the wing. Make sure you have someone else help you, because if you mess it up, you mess it up. What the fuck is this? Wait, don't put it. How much Alright, now we're gonna put wooden blocks so it could apply pressure on the wing. And that's it. That's how you. And now that it's applying pressure, it could. The tape could stick better. And that's it. That's how you put a wing on a MK4 GTI. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.